Sickness and sufferings are part and parcel of human society, and the existence of related departments including Directorate of Health Services, Medical Directorate, and Directorate of Family Welfare is supposed to provide assistance to its citizens on time when needed. 13 years old Gokul Mayanglambam was born in Kakching Paji leikai in 2006 as a normal child. Being born to a jobless parents, his father Mayanglambam Sanayan and mother Mayanglambam Bimochachi Devi, his 70 years old grandmother M. Sanahal Devi is the only breadwinner in the family. On face-to-face interaction with Tom TV, M. Gokul's auntie Mayanglambam Kumari lamented that life took a stone unturned for the poor family when Gokul started experiencing swelling on face, stomach, and legs after 4 years of his birth.
Ngalakbaga khoi maga khoi segana langthabangi doctor ibom char puge bako puraga aude adum layeng basi hora khare mai ising chat basi nungai ta bade hidak si guli moi tharak basi adum chare adai demo rims amok doctor ranbi damo rims ki doctor ranbi damo yengaga numi mapani tarane amok lai adomok pudarai amok nungai ta matam ising chat ba warakan amok pui adai demo imana imphal lai gi ba aina senaraga lehu matamna Masanu ay nagtamatam na ay nang gari wala pura ngitsaki may kakamala na medo sumay taw ta siya na ba sila lay matam na ang siya ay nabanda hapa pura garim sikikita no pa man na tada bira medo ay na punta uraga wajitian si kaw raga jitian Hango si mong masanong ay taday na pure. Rim si sang si lau hara mara laga mo pujila sa limadam suda angang si mamay si sumuk siyaw. Masaso itaw-saw ako'y na di umatam mimay na di hangay. Karina ba ino angang siya madam na moy na ko'y na si ubrahay ako'y sunungay tada aw. Ko'y na si pa'y ni hajila kume.
With desperate effort, his family took him to several hospitals in the States and outside the state as well, even by selling their land. After a series of tests, Gokul was confirmed with chronic kidney failures at International Hospital, Guwahati on 10 March 2016, the family added.
Doctor ako di pa siya laiti hay mataman lag ahum pura ka lao hay ba karay di pa siya ay si pungaw rin chin pura lao hay ba day ano day laga sumay tamare matam upay lay tam nina tas pat ki upay lay tre adwi ta hidak si chahal si haraga hai gana amok sumok chik chat lau hare sik lau hai batu aina paisa puthok chai akoi ahungi flight ticket aina hana mangjong na kap ka ga thame Guwahati adui matam ango si chalamdai gi pung 10 gi adui pa phul horak badai ma si chatpa ngamda akoi maga ai nu pa ga na okto da habaga si jiban hospital si asida ma si pujil han ga adu aina akoi lenin si puraga Guwahati chalangai flight ticket tu cancel tawrongai sachi ngan si cancel nang dare noi pung ani ama khakta ngai re noi ticket cancel nang dare harak badagi cancel tawdana cancel nang dara mina tawdare
Gokul's grandmother M. Sanahal said Gokul was taken to Caesar Hospital in Langol as advised by the doctors in Reims on 2nd March 2019 for dialysis, but the poor stricken family was surprised as the CMHT scheme is not available in Caesar Hospital.
Phangde chatluba adui damukta pubane wakato adu amada hairugan moisidi kanu tawde haire adagi sijerom da chapasu matam khara tawrame ade hojikti sen thum laktabana asi chatna dre da hare upay leitabana na adum tawre chatta yadabana na angangi de khona pura langa adum jengmana ngasi baw yeng.
The problems for Gokul has been increasing day by day due to the inability of dialysis machine which could not be available to perform the dialysis process for the young child like Gokul in the state. Now, the only option for the family is to undergo for transplantation or the operation outside Manipur. But the big questions remains of how the family will to Gokul to outside states for the treatment or for the operation due to the inabilities or the low family income. With camera person Nares, for Tom TV News, Blessing Gang Mai, Kakching Paji leikai.